In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion support services. We'll start right from your browser. In the search bar, type Notion and press Enter. You should see the official Notion site near the top of the results. Look for the result with the Notion.com address to make sure you're heading to the right place, then click it to open Notion's homepage. Once the homepage loads, find and click the Login button. From here, sign in with your usual method, email, single sign-on, or whichever option you typically use. After you're in, make sure you're viewing the correct workspace so the content you create lands where you expect it. Now, let's put Notion AI to work. Open or create a page where you want the content to appear, then place your cursor in the page body so anything you generate will insert right there. Open Notion AI. Depending on your setup, you might click the AI icon in the toolbar or use your preferred shortcut. In the prompt area, type Create Pie Charts and ask it to generate the content on the page. This is a great moment to be specific. If you already have categories and values, include them in the prompt, like product names with percentages. You can also mention a title, desired colors, and whether you want a brief explanation under the chart. When you're ready, submit the prompt and let Notion AI draft the content. If you're shown a preview, choose to insert it into the page so it becomes part of your workspace. To see a ready-made reference, click on Pie Chart Example. This example page gives you a clear idea of how pie chart content can be structured in Notion, typically with a short description, a data table or list, and the visual representation. Use it to compare formatting, naming, and layout with what the AI generated for you. If the example includes a dataset, try swapping in your own values to confirm everything updates as expected. Make small tweaks to headings, legends, and labels so your chart communicates clearly at a glance. If you need to iterate, return to Notion AI on your page and refine your prompt with more detail. Adjust the number of slices, change percentages, or ask for alternative styling. That's the flow. Search for Notion with Google, log in on the official site, use Notion AI to create pie chart content right on your page, and open the pie chart example for a practical model. If anything looks different in your workspace, check your permissions or consult Notion's support resources for guidance. Thanks for following along, and happy building!